Yeah, hey everybody. So today I'm doing two videos in one afternoon, which is a little bit rare, but I did want to share this on my YouTube channel as well. This went out to our email newsletter community about an hour ago, and I know most of you who are watching these videos on YouTube are not part of that community. So here it is. We have a new course, or I have a new course coming out next week, the 25th of May. It is a very specific type of authority site content creation model that is, in my view, almost impossible to fail. So I'm going to teach this system over the course of 7 days, and I'm also going to be doing a live demonstration of a site that I'm having built that you can watch and copy and emulate on your own. So the appeal of this particular model is that it can be launched on a bootstrap budget. I'm going to be using a theme that costs roughly about $60. So that's the only expense I'm going to be incurring in launching this. But for those of you who are really, really on a tighter budget than that, I'll show you how to do it 100% for free. But no doubt you can do this for under $100. So again, it starts on the 25th of May. It's a step-by-step demonstration. I think this is the absolute easiest way to get started with online assets using the authority site model that is not a directory. So this is not a web directory. Although this particular framework does allow you to incorporate directory-like features, it is certainly not a directory model. This is instead a Q&A marketing model, web development model in the Quora, Stack Overflow, Yahoo Answers style strategy. So this is something I've been doing for close to a decade. These were actually the first kinds of authority sites that I built years and years ago using a very stepwise sequence of seeding strategies for adding content to the site and for building traffic and for kind of engaging an audience. And since then, while it's not been my focus over the last few years, the tools and technology have only gotten better and better, smarter and smarter, and really far more powerful than I ever imagined when I started doing this successfully almost a decade ago. All right. So we're going to go over every aspect of developing the site, driving traffic, building relationships, creating an asset, and most importantly, monetizing how to take this model, this Q&A style model, and actually making money with it in some smart, very simple, but strategic ways. All right. So in 7 days, you're going to have a business in a box style approach to literally rinsing and repeating as many of these in as many niches and as many industries as you wish. As a quick aside, I'll give you a little insight into my own thinking. While I'm super busy working on another much larger community project, I actually hired somebody and registered about 50 domain names in the last couple of weeks. And this person is going to be managing a small crew of folks who are going to be using this exact system to populate these sites in a very super specific way. And, I'm really looking forward to really building a whole secondary, asset base using this approach and using just a couple people, some outsourced help. And really, I think this is going to be something that anybody watching can emulate and have tremendous success with. All right. If you have any questions, shoot me an email, hi@mindfulmarketplace.com, or leave a comment in the YouTube comments below. And I'm only going to have 100 spots available for this. So if you do want to jump into this course before the 25th of May, use the link below to sign up. After 100 spots are taken, I'm going to take this down for a short period of time, and then it's going to be a much more expensive course, part of a larger community that I'm building with some other folks. All right. Any questions? As always, feel free to ask. Thanks so much.